Look at what a good older brother Lincoln is. He loves her so much. We're hitting the road because we're headed to our friend Grace's place because Lincoln's gonna go play with his little bud, and we're gonna build gingerbread houses and have a good time. And then after that, we're gonna go to our friend Ed and Sandy's place for dinner, and we're gonna go see the lights. They're called Illumination, and it's at the Morton Arboretum. This has become a tradition for us, Sandy's family, and our friend Jane and Brian's family. And I don't even know how it started, it just did. And now this is our 3rd year doing it, I think, in a row. So I'm glad that the tradition has stayed alive. Lincoln had his school play yesterday. He was a lamb and an angel, and he was so good. We were very, very proud of him. Really great with his motions. Such a cute little lamb. We were so proud. The thing about gingerbread houses is sometimes you have to make them first, and then it ends up being the moms doing all the work.
It's not quite ready to
yeah, to decorate.
It's like ready to build.
Ready for moms to build.
We're gonna need tons of them. Are we gonna make a million?
Yeah. See me shake.
This is Squid Games. See, look, this one I already broke. So now, like, how am I supposed to, you know? Whoa. Look, Grace is a fan of the home edit, so. Hello.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Self-care. Yeah. I was like just trying to think about what gifts I appreciated when I was working in.
New plan. Grace and I pretty much gave up, and as soon as Grace said, "Oh my gosh, this is too much work. Might as well just make cookies," I was like, "Oh, let's just decorate it flat. Have the kids decorate it flat because they're getting antsy, and then we'll assemble it together." But at the same time, are we really gonna assemble it together, Grace? I don't know.
You ready to decorate this one?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
If your fingers get sticky, wipe it on a napkin, okay? Not in your mouth or not on each other. Making some progress. These look amazing, guys. And Olivia, you hold that piece, okay? Good teamwork, guys.
Okay, Olivia, you're gonna have to hold this part like that.
Yeah. You have 4 houses, look. And then these are 2. Yeah.
This is the one that I made with that. What happened to this one?
Hi, Evie.
Oh, yeah. Oh no, it
You guys did
fell
such
off.
a good job. Good job, guys.
This fell off.
This looks so good, Grace. I love how it's even misshapen, too. It smells good.
Whole food dough is, I think, the best because Danny said he likes their dough.
Yeah.
I just got this one from Trader Joe's.
Is this basil on top or spinach?
Spinach.
Oh, nice.
And it's
Lincoln, is the pizza yummy? Yeah. Aunt Grace made it.
Yeah. Do you want me to put you up there?
Wow. Ooh, that looks good. Chef, what'd you make today?
Prime rib.
What? Special. So Ed is like the best cook ever. He is. I don't know why and how it happened, but I love all his food. You guys cooked for me for the 40th birthday and I never shared it, and I have to. Because it was so good. You guys made lamb. Ooh. Wow. Look at this prime rib. Amazing. You guys. Oh, are we doing the spread out table situation again? Oh, kid table. This is what we're going to have to do for Christmas too, for our family. Sandy came with me to my 40th birthday party or thing in Austin, and I never edited that vlog.
Where is it?
I know. I'm really gonna do it because that's a waste if we. I'm gonna do it. What's going on?
Slicing a little bit of steak.
How many times have you made prime rib before, Ed?
Only about one.
This is the first time?
This is the second time.
Oh my gosh. You know, I have actually never made prime rib before. Is it easy?
This version was easy.
Okay.
Yes.
Were you
This
scared
one-
that it wouldn't come out right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's what I'm afraid
A lot
of.
of meat.
That's why I don't make it because it's so expensive, and then if you
Right.
ruin it, you're like, you're done.
Absolutely. But there were multiple places saying that you could set the oven to 500 degrees and for 5 minutes per pound, and then you turn off the oven for 2 hours and walk away.
Oh my gosh. So is that what you did?
This is what I did.
500, and then you turned it off and walked away. I can see that. It has
Yeah.
like that, yeah, I can see that. It's like the slow roasting.
The other time I did it with the bones.
Yeah.
And it's much harder because you have to carve it off and then tie it back on.
Yeah.
And then the cooking is uneven because one side is all bones.
Yeah.
Boneless today.
It looks amazing. Oh my goodness. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, we also have a ginger here.
It's amazing.
Juice? No, juice on the juice.
The bacon wrapped dates?
Okay.
Really? No, actually, that.
Like some horseradish.
Horseradish sauce there. Let's just
Put it on top.
It's on the side.
Paris is waiting and then she'll be getting.
Oh, that.
Yeah, so I read a whole bunch about it. I did this one.
Excellent, excellent. Way to go, Ed. And way to go, Sandy, with your homemade pesto. Everything is so delicious.
Girls called mashed potatoes. They have fun with that.
This feels like a Christmas dinner.
I know. Very good.
I love that this tradition started. This is our 3rd year going to see the lights. The only thing is that we change it up every year, right? Like we did like dim sum before. You know, what did we do? Did we do dinner here last time too?
Yeah, because we had like the window.
Oh yeah, it was my surprise 40th birthday thing. You guys, that was right. Of course.
January. Like
Yeah.
day, that was the last day or something.
Hopefully they don't remember now.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe. Happy birthday to you. Yay, thank you so much. Definitely a surprise.
Woodland Wonder. Whoa. Joe said that it's super warm inside of her car seat. See that little bundle thing? She's in like so many layers. We're like freezing our butts off, but she's all toasty inside.
So you can't even see.
And she's sleeping.
But there's an air circulation, so don't worry.
Controlling the light?
We're making a light.
Oh, yeah? The closer you have it.
It seems pretty empty right now. Like the streets are wide that we're walking on, not crowded because we're a little late. It's gonna close in about a little less than an hour. Of course, Taylor had to have a big old poo before we left, so we were delayed a little bit, but it's nice. It's cold, but not like dying cold. It's all right, and as you walk around, it feels warmer too. So now that you've been here for many years, what do you think of Illumination?
I love it. It's so pretty. They do a great job. And
Yeah.
I'm excited to see this year. They said they made some changes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, do you see any changes already?
I did on the way in. There's like that floaty thing on top.
Oh yeah, that was
Yeah.
cool.
And those bubbles.
Yeah, I was just saying how it's like nice and not crowded right now because
Yes.
it's about to close. Yeah, and it's cold today.
Come at the very beginning or very end.
Yeah.
And you want like rubber ducky.
Yeah, and when it's cold.
Yeah. And when it's
Taylor's sleeping so nicely.
She is.
Yeah, she's like bundled up.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad that Lincoln can actually walk this year on his own without like.
He was excited to because last couple years he
Yeah.
was always needed to like, be with you.
Yeah.
Or not run ahead with the kids, but now he's
Now he can catch up with the kids.
part of the gang.
Yeah. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We were just saying how this is our private path because like literally nobody but our group is here right now. It's nice.
Standing in the hallway, I know you know what I'm about to tell you. I've just realized that
She's so snug as a bug in a rug.
something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while, at least until
These kids are the cutest.
Thank you. Some pictures. My Sean, you want to take
Tester.
Yeah.
It might be a little hard for Lincoln, but it's fun.
that is so too late, 'cause I don't mind waiting for you.
Hot chocolate cheers. Cheers.
No, I don't mind waiting for you.
Everyone's watching me drink hot chocolate and fill myself.
It's a crazy Monday. I know it shows, but I'm fully nervous. I just realized that I can't let go. There's something about me and you. So let me stay here a little while.
Yeah, we took pictures here.
Yeah, you remember we did pictures too? Yeah. Okay, let's do it again.
No!
Yes.
It's something
Lincoln, why across the lap?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's so cool. I'm like walk inside the lights.
'cause I don't mind waiting for you.
The coolest one. You always make it seem like the trees are breathing.
No, I don't mind waiting for you.
I look like I was photobombing you guys. This is a new installation you said, Sandy?
Yes.
We just took a picture here, but I look like I was legit photobombing them. I was saying that to someone that the Arboretum is more like light installations rather than lights on trees.
Yeah.
So like if you're looking for then like lights on trees. So like if you're looking for classic Christmas lights, that's not it. Like they have a few of them. It's more light installations.
This almost feels like Star Wars.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I think we do it, so it feels.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I love how the music is so like nice with every installation.
Look at that. Oh, this is
These all the way from Missouri Center.
Let's see how much we changed through the years.
Yeah. She's sleeping so
Nice and
well. And Joe
warm.
goes, I hope she's still in there. I'm like, what? Aww. Doing great. Oh yeah. We gotta take our annual tree picture. Ed is so funny. He's like, we always pick the green tree that makes our faces look green and you can't Photoshop it. Like, it's true. Here we go. We love coming here every year. It's a tradition that's 3 years long now. And it's like the one Christmassy thing that we wanted to do this year. We didn't think we'd be able to do it with a new baby, but we did. She slept through the whole time. It's great being here with friends that are like family. See you in the next one. See you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.
Special thanks, Ed and Sandy.
Merry birthday.
We did it.
We did it.
Did it. With the baby.
Made it.
Taylor, good job sleeping.
Yep. Yeah.